5.30. An aircraft executes a horizontal loop at a speed of 720 km per hour with its wings bent at 15 degrees. What is the radius of the loop? Simple thing. Theta, that is given to you 15 degree. Speed, that is 720 km per hour. So that is 720 into 5 by 18. So that is 200 meter per second. Okay. Now, for the horizontal curved path, we have the equation V equal to under root RG tan theta. Take square on both the sides. So V square equal to RG tan theta. So R equal to V square upon G tan theta. Now substitute the values. So R equal to V, that is 200. So square of it, that is 200 into 200 upon G, that is 10. Tan theta, that is tan 15 degree. Now substitute here the value of tan 15 degree and then solve this one. You will get the radius of the loop. Clear?